airport. Like cloudy outside pero yung wala nang ulan kanina. Umuulan kanina. So hopefully we're still in Nagoya, by the way. Yep. Hopefully we will be landing in Manila like around 5 p.m. there, and yung pinakamahirap na part is yung pasibo namin is 9 p.m. pa, so it will be a long waiting game pa with Ricky, diba? But masakit ng aking ulo. Yung buhok ko kanina is nakulugay, but ginanito ko na kasi it's bothering me. Ansem sulti?
I don't know.
Why are you talking while I was talking?
I don't know.
So yeah, checking you later if nandun na kami sa Manila. Yay! Finally going home to the Philippines after 3 years. We're boarding.
Ladies and gentlemen, as a safety requirement, we shall be dimming cabin lights for takeoff. Reading lights are found in your service panels. Thank you.
We're at the
Saan yaman mo?
airport. Terminal 2. So waiting for our flight for Cebu. I wanna see. We're here sa Gaisano capital na malapit sa amin because kailangan namin ng goggles. May idea na ba kayo guys bakit kailangan namin ng goggles? Yeah, so what else do we need? It's been a long time since I've been here really, but mas naging okay siya compared before. Before it's like empty na talaga dito sa Gaisano looking, but now medyo marami naman na yung ano nila tinda, no? Then it's not that dirty na yung dusty feeling ba dati kasi parang talaga like that. So yeah, maghahanap pa kami ng I'm gonna buy a shade kasi yung murang shades lang guys. Hi ate, wow, get up ni ate makita ang dayo na. Wow, ate. Cash. You go to the cash. Stop. You can't listen. Hi, Ricky. Hey. Hey ba? Hey. Ang sukli. Welcome to Cordova. Finally back to Happy Donut. Uy, sige na ay palit na mo. Lami ilang donut. Oo. Look na cute. We're right here now. We're just checking in. Hi, dear. Si ano?
Weird
Yeah, mo din na weird. Hi, sweet.
nandito ako ang eyeglass.
Pero okay ra ang breeze dire, dili siya siya mainit. Baba over there. Anina Nelky. Can't wait to get inside kasi it's so like sweaty na here. Come in. Come in. Oh, where's the light? There's no lights. So, yeah, shaving kit. So, this is our room. They have a closet here. Oh my God. Yeah. There's sashi. Pagpasok nyo, may CR, I guess, dito. Yeah. So, that is the shower. Toilet. Yeah, and hey guys. It's me. Yeah, this is just practically the bedroom. So they are there outside. There's coffee here. Ayan. Baba, hi ba. Getting ready? Yeah, she's getting ready. Getting ready. It is not at 6 p.m. Magna-night swimming na kami. Rookie is sleeping over there. I feel so cold. Grabe. Masama na yung aking boss's pakinggan. Because it's so cold in this room. They want it really cold. I don't know if I'm going to have night swimming. Let's see. Behind the scenes. Hey, bro. Ay, ngano na ay flash. Ba. Night swimming daw sila. Can't resist na ka ba? Ayaw. Yuha. Getting ready. First night. Baba. Ati. See you tomorrow. Yes, me.
Yes, me.
Yes, me. Friends, good morning. It is 6 a.m. in the morning. Baba is still sleeping. Rookie and Sashi is out, and God, I did not sleep well. Let's go out. Gozaimasu. Hayo. It's 6 a.m. Pools, nobody. Still swimming because still early. Look at the sea outside. Yeah. That's the ocean. The ocean chose you. Oh my god. Good morning. So I'm wearing PE t-shirt from that girl. That girl. So they're still cleaning the pool. It's still pretty early. I did not sleep well kasi I know. Usually it's like that whenever I go to other place. I don't sleep. And then I dream a lot of things. Like yeah, I dream a lot of things, different things, weird things. Really, wow, look at my background. It's the pool and the ocean. So breakfast starts at 6 a.m. So I'm gonna change now para mag-breakfast. No? Let's go breakfast. We're ready to eat now. Rookie, bagong gising ka?
Yes.
There's everybody. Kana 8 dyan na sa ate. Diyan ma.
Nini na saan mo?
Couple. Na TikTok sila. Oh.
Klaro kaya ang kayo ng sayo.
Oh. We're out. It is 9 a.m. in the morning. Just strolling around, guys. The other side dito kasi hindi kami nakapunta on this side here hapon kasi we're so tired. We got here like mga 3 p.m. yesterday. So, we're gonna explore a little here sa Solaya Matan Resort. Yeah, so our room is kinda there. Yeah, doon na building na yun. So, I don't know what's here kasi we are going to the beach. Are there, Baba is there. Yan, Ate Isle. Anma. Anma! Bye. Ang layo pa ng beach. This is the other side of their property, Solea. This is not yet done. I think this is like a, you know, a big, yung pool ba, parang beachy na. Yung parang sa, the same with Plantation Bay, but it's not done yet. So hopefully, in the near future, ma-experience din natin yan. So, ang layo-layo ng beach. Grabe. Nag-sunblock ba kayo? Okay. Kasi, grabe, ang layo pa ng beach eh. Nandun yung ano namin, no? Yung room namin dyan. Tapos the beach is like there. We're at the beach now. It's so mahangin. There's Rookie na. Di man siya naka-swimsuit. Ang layo ng beach. Wala, nabasa na ka. Ang layo ng beach. Nakapoy kami. Yeah, this is Mactan. I-locate natin nasaan yung ano naman. Pero nindot lang kasi may hangin. It feels so good, the breeze. Wow, anma. We're still exploring and ganda ng hangin here. Ang init na, it is like 9:30. At dapat nandito like mga 6 AM para hindi masyadong mainit. But there's a breeze, but still. Yan, mga TikTokers. Ana, jud na.
Ana gayon na.
Now they're trying to play chess. Here. Big chess. Badaplin ba? Oh. Sige. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Wow, Ki! Go, Ki! Go! Oo, puro man na sila, Ki! Rookie og si Elki. Lucky! Sa mukha ninyong duhay. Okay.
Layas. Layas.
We're going back to the beach and it's 1 p.m. Can you imagine? It's hot. Going to the beach. Going to the beach. Let's not wear a mask because nobody's here. It's just him and me. No mask. Grabe, ang lakas ng hangin. Diba?
Ano sa atong na
What? Nikki is having a swim. Yeah. So then eh. Mama ko nag-change. I'm just waiting for him. Because he wants to come here. So. What's good lang sa ano guys, pag dito sa dagat is even though it is so hot, but there's still a breeze, yung may hangin, tapos hindi masyadong mainit yung feeling. As long as nasa shade ka ha, pag nakaano ka. Pero pag nasa ano, nakatapat ka sa, of course, definitely it would be like, ano, ayun. We changed room because our room is kinda...
We just arrived.
You see that we're in a different room, so yeah, kasi yung unang room namin is yung water niya is like mainit lang yung lumalabas. There's no naspumbag. There is no like cold water, as in solely hot water. Tapos wala ding ano internet access. So thankfully naman nilipat nila kami kasi we still have another night here. So this is our second day here.
Yeah, right.
Thankfully naging okay. New room has a tub now. You can tub now. And then yeah, ganyan na. So iba na siya, nasa left side na. Oh, really? Yeah, much better. So we're going back to the beach again. It is 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Nakakita na naman kami ng panibagong route papuntang beach. Daplin kayo kasi may truck sa likuran. Diba? There's the beach. Hopefully may tubig pa kasi ano siya, hindi ko alam sa Tagalog, basta hunas na sila. Si Shani na to? Kuya, wag dyan yung Shani, no eh. Yeah, it's so windy. And Ma is here. Siya ay magbabantay muna.
Puro di ka ba mapadol? Oy, tingin mo dali oy. May sashi. Padol diha.
Bakit nandito sila sa kids pool? Ha? Si Ann Mapod. Ha? Nabuang na. Nandoon na naman sila sa bigger pool. Blurry na. Already done with the pool. Oh my god, look at my eyes. They're so tired looking. I'm gonna eat dinner now. So, yung dinner namin is wait. Ayan. Jollibee. Ay, hindi pala Jollibee. McDo. Because we don't like eating sa restaurant dun sa baba. Bukas na sa breakfast ulit. So, yeah, McDo. And the TV is so blurry. Uy, nauna na siyang kumain.
Fresh forget.
Oh, fresh, oh. Baba's there. We're waiting for them. Hi, Rookie. My goodie. Thanks, McDo. And Food Panda. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. So, this is our second night. Or our third day here. Yeah. We'll be going home today. They are still sleeping. It's still pretty early. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. Yeah. I was having a hard time sleeping last night. I know, I was just too tired. And yeah. So, Rookie's outside. Let's go outside. Still, there's no sun happening outside. So, there's no sun. There's no sunrise. Rookie is already outside. Yeah, walang sun. Makulimlim pa rin siya. Makulimlim, cloudy. Still early in the morning. You cannot see the sunrise happening. So tired. Not tired, but my eyes hurts. Siguro, maano ako nito. Mapamaulan. My God. Yung, muscle aches and pains. Because of the swimming that was happening yesterday and the other day. So, yeah, I think magbibihis na kami para my face looks really very
Open
puffy.
naman din, no?
Yeah, so that we could have breakfast. Good morning. Good morning, pool. That is the pool. You can see the pool from here, but we cannot see the pool down. Good morning. So we are here sa restaurant and we're going to have our breakfast. This is going to be our last breakfast here at Salaya Mactan Resort. So we're just waiting for our table here outside. For today, I'm still having puto and biko and coffee. I already had egg and what's that called, ham. I did not like much their breakfast this morning. Yesterday was okay. I like the sausage, but ham and but I really enjoyed their puto. So that's what I'm having right now. Doon sila sa kabila kasi di kami magkasya. Ito lang yung table na available for now. So, okay, are you full na? How about you ba? Ate is full na. Grabe yung nila dito. Parang lounge Oh, it's Britney Spears but in a different kanang pang lounge na hit me baby anin. We are outside here sa pool. Yeah, finish na. Ayan yung pool na malaking pool here. Wow. But we're not going swimming. Okay. Loy. Piyaw Elki oy. No si Elki. Oh, diha oh. May activity doon, area doon. Wow, the grass is super green. Ang init nga lang. It is 10. Oh, it's not that green. And behind the scene. Hey, bye room. We are leaving now. We're leaving now. Bye. We're going home after today. After today. Time to are going home, finally! Makikita na namin si Awi! Bye, Salaya! We're going back to the city! There's the city ahead of us. Bye, mangroves!